Hey guys, it's Miss Lyons here again. We're on day 3 of our poetry project. So you should have out your instruction sheet, you should have your piece of paper, and you should have your poem. So we've already defined the words, we have already paraphrased and summarized. So now we're looking at literary devices. So if you're like me and you ran out of room, go ahead and flip it over. You can do it on the back side. And so this is going to be step 3. Go ahead and label it as so. So step 3. And then what we're going to do today is we are going to find our literary devices, label them, define them, and then give the actual quote. So if we go back to Ozymandias, the text that we're using together, we notice that it's a lot of pictures. And if you remember pictures in your mind, whether it be the 5 senses of visual, what you smell, what you taste, what you hear, I'm missing one, but I can't think of it. Those would be imagery. So I see imagery in here right in this very first bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take note of what that is right there, have it right next to me. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out, okay, I said it was imagery. So write that down first. So this is imagery. That's me labeling it. Then we need to define it. So the definition of imagery, put 2 little dots, is visually descriptive with figurative language. So there is my type, my definition. Now I need to give my quote, which is 2 vast and trunkless legs of stone stand in the desert. Now, the very last bit, now this is the hard part, is telling me what is the effect. When I ask you that, I'm simply asking you, why did the author include this? What was the author's purpose for including this imagery? So right underneath that, author's purpose is to, and so I think, okay, well, he wants to make an image, but an image of what? Well, he wants to create an image of broken and damaged pieces of the statue scattered in the desert. It creates, even more so, a feeling of destruction. So notice what I did here was I said, why does he do it? Why does he include, why the imagery? Why does he include that imagery? And then, why this imagery? Because on the one hand, he wants to create an image, but why that image? So that's what you're going to do for each of your steps. You need to have a total of 3. So tell me what it is. 3 different ones, by the way. Give me the definition, give me the quote, tell me why. Okay? So have fun, and we'll talk tomorrow.